In the summer of 2020, Coloradans lived under a sky choked with smoke and ash as wildfires burned across the West. Then we faced a threat closer to home.
That fire just exploded. It was just like, oh my God, this is gonna come all the way into town. There was really nothing stopping it.
Whatever Armageddon might look like, that's what it looked like. Gray, orange, black. You didn't know what time of day it was.
With flame lengths of 50 or 60 feet, I'm not sure who was going to stand in front of that.
We got a call Saturday morning at 7 a.m. saying you have 1 hour to get out.
The Cameron Peak and East Troublesome fires exploded into the state's largest wildfires, burning more than 400,000 acres and challenging what we thought we knew about how wildfires behave.
I think there's a lot of things that we have to be rethinking. We are in a time of unprecedented ecological change.
We can point to climate change. Forests are twice as dry as they would have otherwise been.
We're in a burning world. If you want to do something and have some ability to alter outcomes, then we're going to have to look and think about what do we do with the landscape to be able to do that.
Mega fires reveal how choices from our past have caught up to us.
There is a role of humans in this because we are placing homes in very high-risk locations.
Saving a house and losing a firefighter is a terrible trade, so trying to find that balance.
We cannot contain, extinguish, and suppress every wildfire. That is simply not a reality.
Now, equipped with new information and faced with new challenges, we need new ways forward.
We don't have decades to plan for this. We've got to move much, much faster than that. And that's a huge, huge challenge from an institutional and policy standpoint.
The clock is ticking. Can we work together to find our footing and rethink what it means to live with fire?
Once we all realize that fire's not the enemy, I think we'll be more able to coexist with it.
Presented by the Institute for Science and Policy at the Denver Museum of Nature and Science, this is United by Fire, a new podcast series exploring hard truths about our landscapes and ourselves. Subscribe to Laws of Notion wherever you get your podcasts and learn more at lawsofnotion.org.